What is Zero Call 25? Zero Project is looking for innovative solutions that benefit persons with disability, and you have an innovative, impactful and scalable solution you should apply. What is ICT? ICT is the short form for Information and Communication Technology. These are solutions, apps, different other devices that benefit persons with disabilities. This is what we are looking for in Zero Call 25. Which solutions can be nominated? We are looking for solutions that benefit persons with disabilities. They can come from persons or organizations, either small or large, and really from a global scale. So each country, each organization, wherever they are located, can nominate. What solutions cannot be nominated? We are not looking for solutions that do not benefit persons with disabilities or lack impact. Why nominate for the Zero Call 25? First of all, you become part of the Zero Project family, which are more than 10,000 people and organizations. And secondly, you have the possibility, if your solution is innovative and scalable, to be part of exclusive events like the Technology Forum.